Hey, it's day 4 of the challenge and we will be creating this. Cool, right? Let's go. Firstly, we will start with the frame and create circle under it and change its color to yellow. And we will copy it and reduce the opacity. Then it's time to add eyes and mouth. I will use circle for all of these. Then I will add text. For that I'm using text separately. In and out will change in next frame. So for that I'm going to hide out, and firstly I will make frame including all these three and I will do clip content. Now copy first frame and make the shape larger. After that hide in and out by shifting it to the top. Align both the text properly. Lastly, add connect both frame for prototyping. Choose after delay of 800 ms with 2000 ms of ease and out. And lastly, connect second frame to the first with same settings. And we are good to go. I hope you like it.